Good morning children. Today third class mathematics. Here in the previous class we have discussed about what are the properties of multiplication. Properties nothing but rules. In previous class we have to discuss about how many members did you learn first of all. Raise your hands. How many members did you learn the children? Properties of multiplication. Already I said you must write in your maths notebook and you have to read. Page number 55 is there. Read and write I said. Who are reading? Those are good. Okay. Who are not it? Those are very bad. Okay. Now, first we will recall all the properties once. You also say along with me. First, multiplication by 1 means if you multiply any number to 1, we will get the number itself. For example, 4 ones 4, 32 ones 32, 58 ones 58, like that. It is the first property. Second property, multiplication by 0. If you multiply any number 0, any number to 0 means we will get 0 only. That is 8 into 0, 0. 91 into 0, 0. 100 into 0, 0. Like that. Next, order property. If we take any two numbers, if you multiply in the correct order and in the reverse order, you will get the answer is same. For example, I am taking 4 and 3. 4 3s 12 and 3 4s also 12. How you can multiply? If you change the order of the numbers, then also the answer need not change. It is known as order property. Next, grouping property. If you take any three numbers, that is 2, 3, 4, like that, any numbers, first you can multiply A into B and then multiply C. You will get one answer. Next, first you multiply B into C. Then which answer you are getting? That answer multiply again with the A number. Then also you will get the same answer. It is known as grouping property. These all we discussed in the previous class. If we perfect in these properties, you are getting multiplications easily. Today we will discuss about grouping property over distributive property. Okay? That is the last property is distributive property. What is this property, children? Say distributive property of multiplication. It is the third property, last property. Say the distributive spelling, children. distributive. Distributive property. property property. Okay. Here, first of all, I am taking one example. For example, I am taking third class. In this third class, we are having total 32 children. How many children? Total 32. How I am dividing this 32? Each and every row, I used to sit 8 members. 8 members in 4 rows or 4 columns. Means here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I used to 8 members like 4 rows. Okay. So 4 into 8 is equal to 32. It is total one group. What I said in the next step, I used to separate this class into two groups. That is, first of all I am taking 5 members as a group 1. Next 3 members as a group 2. That is 4 into 5 plus 3. Here rows, columns is common. Column means like sleeping line. Columns is common, but I am separating the children. That is, first 5 children in the group 1, next 3 children in the group 2. Okay. Now you can multiply. 4 into 5 plus 4 into 3 is equal to. This answer I am continuing here. Here 4 into 5 plus 4 into 3. Like this, like grouping property. Okay. Next, 4 5s 20 plus 4 3s 12. 20 plus 12, 20 plus 12. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 1 3, 32. Like this dividing also we are getting same number. Okay. It is known as distributive property of multiplication. Means here just we are taking the bigger multiplication number into the smaller numbers. Then I am multiplying. It becomes as easy. Okay. Here I am taking one more example. Using this distributive property, that is 8 into 34. 8 into 34. Here I am keeping smaller number like that only, and this bigger number I am writing into two smaller numbers. Solution. 8 into this 34 I am separating as 30 plus 4. Why? Because 3 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. 3 tens 30, 4 ones 4, like this. Now multiply. 8 into 30 plus 8 into 4. 8 3s 24. 8 into 0, 0 plus 8 4s 32. Now you can add these two numbers. 240 plus 32. 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 3, 7, 2. 272. Okay. If you want means you have to multiply and check, you will get the same number. That is 34 into 8. 8 4s 32. 8 3s. How much? 24. 24 plus 3, 27. If you multiply directly also you are getting same number. If you multiply add divide into smaller number and then you can multiply, then also you are getting the same number. It is known as distributive property of multiplication. Okay. Same like this in your textbook page number 57. Some more questions is there. That is exercise 5.4. A bit. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Here in this fill in the blanks, first question. 12 into 17. 12 into 17. Here they kept 12 like that only, and they given dash here for this 17. 17 also I am separating like this. 1 is in tens place, so 10 plus 7 is in ones place. Okay, like this. Now you can multiply 12 into 10 plus 12 into 7. 12 tens 120. Why? Because 12 ones are 12. 12 into 0 0. And 12 sevens. Do you know 12 table? Read the 12 table once, children. How much? 12 ones 12. 12 twos 24. 12 threes 36. 12 4 48, 12 5 60, 12 6 72, 12 7 84, 12 7 84. Now you can add these two numbers 120 plus 84, 0 plus 4 4, 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 1 2. The answer is 204. What is the answer, children, here? 204. Same like this. One more question. Second one. That is here 11 into 25. 11 into 25 means here also they separated this 25 number. That is 2 is in tens place. Means 20 plus 5 is in ones place. 20 plus 5, you are getting 25 only. Now you can multiply. 11 into 20 plus 11 into 5. 11 2 is 22, 11 0 is 0. 11 5 is 55. Now you can add these numbers. 220 plus 55. 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 5 7, 2. The answer is 275. If we are using this distributive property, we are getting easily answers in these multiplications. So, otherwise you have to do this means it will take more time. In this way, we are using distributive property and making the multiplications is easy. And here, third one. Third one, 19 into 12. Here, they separated they given this, you have to divide this 19. 1 is in tens place. 10 plus 9 into 12. 10 into 12 plus 9 into 12. 12 times 120 plus 12 nines are 9 12s. 12 nines are 108. Now you can add these two numbers 120 plus 108. 0 plus 88, 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 1 2. The answer is 228. Okay. If you separate any number, then also you will get the same answer, and it is very easy. Okay, same like this, B bit is there. Same like this, B bit is there. That is find the products. Find the products using the distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication. Place not there means I kept a multiplication symbol. Okay, in this first question, that is 9 into 19. Here also same method, but they given like sleeping line. See here. In this distributive property, you have to separate the biggest number into smaller numbers. 9 and 19. Here 19 is the biggest number. You have to separate this into 10 plus 9. Why? Because 1 is in tens place, 1 times 10, 9 is in ones place, 9. Okay. Okay. Next, what you have to write here is equal to 9 into 10 plus 9 into 9. Here place not there means I am continuing here. Again is equal to 9 into 10, 9 times 90 plus 9 nines 81 is equal to, you have to add these two numbers 90, 81. 0 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 8, 17. Yes or no? Yes. The answer is 171. Same like this, second question. That is 11 into 25. Here which is the bigger number, children? 25. So this 25 have to convert as two smaller numbers. That is 11 into 20 plus 5, 25. Here again 11 into 20 plus 11 into 5. Here place not there means I am continuing here. 11 to 22. 11 into 0, 0 plus 11 5, 55. You have to add these two numbers. Okay? 220 plus 55. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 as it is. The answer is 275. Same like this third question. That is 19 into 12. 19 into 12. Here which is the big number? Compare the two numbers. 19, 12. 19 is the big number. So big number you have to separate into two smaller numbers. That is 10 plus 9 into 12 is equal to 10 into 12 plus here 9 is there. 9 into 12. First you can multiply these two numbers is equal to 12 tens are 120 plus 12 nines are 108. Here this one same. Okay. But here they given like standing line. But here they given like sleeping line. The answer is 228. Same like this, some more questions is there. See in your textbook page number 57, children. Here distributive property is there. You have to copy this last line is called distributive property, this one. Next you have to do 5.4 in the textbook only. Here they given dashes. According to this you have to finish this one. Okay children. See here. Second question. 18 to 64. Means here 64 is the big number. So you can separate this big number into smaller number. 60 plus 4. Here 18 to 60 plus 18 to 4. You have to multiply 8 6 how much? 8 6 48. 8 into 0, 0 plus 8 4s or 4 8s, 28. 4 8s, 32. Now you can add these two numbers like this. 480 plus 32. 0 plus 2, 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 plus 4, 5. Answer is 512. Same like this, one more question. 7 into 98. Here also observe which is the big number. 98 is the big number. This 98 we have to separate into two smaller numbers. That is 70 into 90 plus 8. 70 into 7 into 70 not. 7 into 90 plus 7 into 8. You have to multiply these two numbers. 7 9s 63. 7 into 0, 0 plus 7 8s 56. Now you can add these two numbers. You will get the answer. 630 plus 56. 0 plus 6 6. 5 plus 3 8. 6. Answer is 686. Okay. Same like this. Some more questions is there in our textbook, page number 57. You have to finish that. Today your homework is complete in textbook, page number 57. Okay. See here. Exercise 5.4. Here they given fill in the blanks. Here also they given. You have to finish this all. This is your homework today. Thank you.